So, g'day. I'm a little bit drunk. Too much of that bloody coconut stuff. Yeah. Anyway, so I was just looking on Facebook and someone posted a graded banknote. So, graded banknotes are based on the United States grading system. And in Australia, we use a different system. So, this does get a bit confusing. That's why you need the Renix catalog. When you got the Renix catalog, it has a comparison in the actual book of the grading system. So I'm going to use this. I'm not going to show everything in this book. You should actually get one of these yourself. Probably updated every 5 to 10 years, because actually now probably every time they issue it, because uh, they're all Australian Mint and Perth Mint just issues so much stuff, and Australia Post issues so much actually different PNCs, which some of them have their own market value. So, anyway, if we look at the coin grade and see if I can find it. So basically, this is it. So this is what they use for the actual grading, is in the blue. And if you got something almost uncirculated 50, in Australia it's still only high grade, very fine. And in the United States they have, like if you got an MS70, it's a flirty coin, so pretty much a coin that doesn't have any damage to it. Most of the coins that we get in circulation are probably uncirculated, so 61, 62. The rest of these you're probably going to get out of sets, Oh, do I have any on the table? No. You would actually need it protected somehow. So in a mint roll or in a coin capsule like that, or in a 2x2, not really a 2x2, in just some type of cover that can actually protect the coins. So these ones, although they can still get damaged if the coins hit each other pretty hard. So that's what pretty much the 60s are. And we see in mint state, we just call it uncirculated. So if you've got a coin that's good, very good, so we've got very good here. In the United States system, they don't really use that system. They just call it fine. You got very good, but pretty much it's just a fine coin. Then we got fine, which they class as very fine. And then you got some other very fine, which they class as extremely fine, almost don't circulate. So, basically, when you're looking at graded coins, or even coins from a United States seller, and you're in Australia, you need to convert them into one system or another. So basically, you need to use. I use the Australian system. So if I see a coin from the United States, I convert it into the Australian system. And if you're unsure, just ask them what system that they're using. Now, the systems in Europe are quite similar to the Australian system. Australia is based on the United Kingdom grading system. Sorry, that this is the alcohol calling. So you need to pretty much be on ball on what system you're going to use for your grading. Now, with older coins, so we're talking about coins that are actually not machine struck. So this is a Kutch coin that's machine struck. That's 1943. And then we have hammered coins. So hammered coins are coins that are used by just smacking a hammer down on the actual one of the dies, while the other dies underneath. So they have a different grading system, although the wear is the same. But because they're produced differently, you have to grade them differently. And they contain a lot more errors than coins that we produce now. So maybe I'll do another video on that series. So basically that's it. In Australia, we use the ANDA grading system. which is just a standardised system throughout the country. It's based on the United Kingdom system, and they use a similar system all over Europe. And the United States system, I would say, is probably overgraded for the Australian system, and it just makes it a bit confusing. I reckon around the world they should just issue one type of system for all coins that you can actually translate into different languages. Like schön, I know, for German, good. In Hong Kong, you should just use whole. So basically, it's just the same word, but used in a different language. Anyway, so hope this helps you with your coin collecting, and have an awesome coin and banknote collecting time. Thank you and goodbye.